Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today I'm going to be giving you guys a quick breakdown of what happened to my second and also my first FTMO account as I was trading this week. I traded on my second FTMO account and achieved 5% between Monday to Wednesday, and on my first FTMO account, which went back down to 100,000 US dollars as I'd placed a withdrawal on it, I traded on Thursday alone and I achieved 3% in one day. So I'll be giving you guys a quick breakdown of how I achieved 8% growth overall in December and in 1 week. So now I'm just going to get straight into it and show you guys my trading log. So guys, just to show you my FTMO account, just to give you guys a breakdown of what was happening. Firstly, I'm going to take you to my first FTMO account. So overall, I'm up on this account by 8%, 8,000 US dollars. 5%, which is 5,000 US dollars, I've already placed a withdrawal for, and I'm waiting for that withdrawal to come through. So once I place that withdrawal, it automatically takes my account back to 100,000, showing the profit showing the profit as 3,000 US dollars, but in fact my total for this account so far is 8%. Now to take you guys to my first account, now to take you guys back to my second account. So the second account is what I was trading on this week between Monday to Wednesday. So in those 3 days, I actually achieved 5% on this account. As you guys can see, I ended the week on 5,000 US dollars. And I'll be giving you guys a breakdown of this in a sec now. And this account where you guys can see the 5% I withdrew and the 3% that I was able to gain, these trades were actually taken just on Thursday this week. So now I'm just going to get straight into my trading log and show you guys all the trades that I took and get into my deeper analysis for this. So guys, to get straight into it now, I'm just going to show you my trading journal for the week that I've had so far on my second FTMO account. And the reason that I started trading on my second account is because I was waiting for my withdrawal to be processed on my first account because I didn't want to trade on that anymore. So I started trading on my second FTMO account and I waited for the withdrawal to come through so that I can then start trading on my second account. So to get straight into it, so just to give you guys an overall summary of the week, the total number of trades that I took on my second account was 48 trades, and the number of lots that I used was 56 lots, and the number of winning trades that I had was 21, and the number of losing trades that I had was 27. The success rate that I had overall was 43%. As you guys can see here, the number of losing trades was a lot more than my winning trades, but I still overall was successful and profitable because my risk to reward ratio was strong. So the amount of positive pips that I caught was 1,272, and the amount of negative pips that I had was 594. And overall left me on 677 positive pips for Monday, Tuesday and Wednesday on my second account. So the overall that I increased the account by, if I was counting just my winning trades, is 12%, and the amount of percentage that I lost was 7.4, overall leaving me in approximately an overall gain of 5%, which was 5,000 US dollars. So as you guys can see in this section, I planned out my week ahead. I put my risk parameters, trade management parameters, my reward parameters, confluences that I was going to be using, symbols that I was planning to trade, cross pairs, my analysis, how much I put in, and anything personal that was going to be affecting my work. So what I'm going to do is just go onto the charts now and show you guys some of the trades that I took. And they are all over here, and I'm just going to show you them on the charts. Trades that I took for the week. So this was placed on Monday. I caught approximately 100 pips on this trade, and my risk to reward was 35 pips risk, and I wanted to gain 100 pips from this trade. One of my, not just profits that I want to show you guys, one of my biggest losses was actually also on Gbp USD. So I lost 113 pips. I wanted approximately 200 pips for this trade. It was one that I was expecting to go, I was expecting essentially this to happen where it drops, but it happened on Friday instead. but that happens sometimes. I risked 1% on this trade. I think I lost about 1% on this trade. So that was again according to my trading plan. I risked 1% on this trade. So now we're going to move on to gold. Gold, I wanted to risk 20 pips on this trade, taking it right from the top and catching a big move downwards, which was expected. And then I caught a bit of a reversal here, which I'll try zoom into so you guys can see it a bit closer. So this was the reversal, which I also caught here. And I closed it off about here. So overall, gold was quite profitable for me on this second FTMO account, which I caught 5% on. So the next trade that I'm going to show you guys is Gbp Cad. I actually placed this at market open on Monday, and I was able to catch 112 pips quite quickly on this trade. And Cad JPY, which I placed again at market open, and I caught approximately 31 pips on this trade. So my plan was actually to stop trading once I achieved the 5% on that account. However, I saw some really good opportunities in the market and the week was looking quite good. So as I withdrew the 5% from my first account was then sitting at $100,000, so it was brand new and ready to start trading on. So I decided to trade on that account as I'd already achieved 5% on my second account, and overall I was able to gain $3,000 just trading one day. So I'm going to give you guys a breakdown of what happened on Thursday and how much I was able to achieve just trading on Thursday. To give you guys an overall, I took 34 trades on Thursday. The number of lots that I used was 39. The amount of winning trades that I had was 19. The losing trades 15, and the overall success rate was 56% for the day. I caught 428 pips positive and 136 pips negative, and overall leaving me in approximately 292 pips positive overall for Thursday. The amount of percentage that I gained on the account was 4%, and the amount that I lost on the account was minus 1%. And overall, I was able to gain 3% on this account. So just to give you guys some breakdowns of the trades that I actually took on Thursday, as you guys can see, the number of pips that I was losing per trade wasn't a lot on Thursday, like 1 pip, minus 0.06 pips, 6 pips, 4 pips, minus 5 pips. The biggest loss in terms of pips I had was minus 25 pips. My risk to reward here was really good, and the amount of pips I was losing was quite small, as I wanted to really try and perfect these trades on Thursday. So now just talk a bit about my most profitable trades. Gold was probably one of my most profitable on Thursday as well, as there was a specific setup that I was working around, and I saw that I was respecting it quite nicely, so I didn't want to miss out on this opportunity on Thursday. So also GBP, I caught 53 pips on it, but about approximately $500. Gold, I caught about approximately $2,000 on this. So yeah, that is actually a full breakdown of my trading month for December. I didn't actually trade last week. This week was my first week trading in December, as I was waiting for my withdrawal. And I don't think I'll be trading for the rest of December, as the last 2 weeks of December, the markets do start to die down a bit. They don't really respect a lot of what I'm analyzing. So I'm just going to let the market do its thing and then hopefully come back to it in January. So if you guys want access to my trading journal and want to download it for yourself to use, you can actually do so, as I placed a link in my description section. So check it out and you can download it there. So thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give it a like if you did. Give it a thumbs up. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, as I will be posting more content regularly.